Unfortunately, in today's world, most of the people do not even have the time to consider whether God is there, if He is there, who He is. And oftentimes we see that a kind of an atheistic mentality actually prevails. But those who do not want to accept the existence of God, those who don't want to believe in God, I'll make a simple, intelligent, common sense approach. Like if I ask you, the watches that you're wearing, the watch that you're wearing, did someone make them? The glasses that you're wearing, did someone make them? What will be your answer? Naturally, yes. You may not know who made it, but at least your common sense will compel you to accept that somebody must have made it. So in this way, when we look around, everything we have to accept that somebody must have made them. Now when it comes to this wonderful creation, this world, and these wonderful planetary systems, so many stars and planets in the sky, maintaining such a beautiful order, and then when we ask, did somebody make them? What will be our honest reply to that? If I say that your watch nobody made, it fell from the sky, or there was a primordial soup and from that soup came the watch, will anybody accept it? You will laugh at me, you'll ridicule me if I say something like that. But when it comes to this wonderful creation that is maintaining such a beautiful order, how can our intelligence admit that it came from an accidental phenomenon? From accident you never get chaos, you never get order. From accident you always get chaos. One American philosopher, Durant, commented that the theory that creation came out of accident is as absurd as saying that there was an accident in a printing press and there was an explosion in a printing press and the types fell in such a order after getting blown up that the Webster dictionary was printed. So from accident we never get order, from accident we only get chaos. But is there any chaos in the world around us? If there is any chaos, that chaos is made by man only. Otherwise nature maintains a beautiful order. Now who is maintaining that order? There must be somebody. I may not know about him, but he is there. That an intelligent person have to honestly admit.